Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Stream the World. Today in this video we shall solve a 3x3 mirror cube. For solving this 3x3 mirror cube, it is very important for you to watch how I solved the 3x3 Rubik's cube, because the same algorithm that we used in a 3x3 Rubik's cube, we will be using the same algorithm again in this 3x3 mirror cube. So do watch the video. The link will be in the I button as well as in the description box. So go and watch the 3x3 Rubik's cube so that you will be able to easily solve this 3x3 mirror cube. You can check that the cube is now completely scrambled. You might see that it is very difficult to solve, but don't worry, it's not at all difficult. So let's start. Now you need to check that there are the 6 middle pieces, and you need to find one middle piece which is like the longest, the largest one. So you can check, we have this piece as the largest one. So what you need to do is, this is the largest piece, just hold it with your finger and you need to make a cross around it. You need to make this cross, keeping in mind that this piece is in alignment with this piece. It is in a straight line. Just make sure that it is in a straight line. So you can check this piece is already in its position. Now we need to find other 4 pieces. So you can check we got this piece, but the problem is this piece is not in alignment with this. So we bring it down again, we match, yes, it's matched, and we bring it to top, it's aligned with this, and here. Now looking for the other 2 pieces. Yeah, we got this piece here. Now you can check this is aligned, but these 2 not aligned. So we bring it down, we take it this side, and again this is aligned, this is aligned, this is aligned. Now last piece is here, and this is also aligned. So we got the cross. And the 4 cross pieces are also aligned. Now your task is to solve this 4 corner pieces. So for that we need to look for pieces which will fit in here. So when we look, we can check we have this piece, and if we check, this piece will come here. So as it is in the bottom, and we do it here, we bring it down, you can check it's aligned in the position. Now we have this piece, and this piece would fit in here. Algorithm is R dash D dash R D. It is in its position. Now this piece would come here. So R dash D dash R D, 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 R dash D dash, and R D. You can check it is in its position. Now for the final piece we have this. So R dash D dash D, R dash D dash R D, R dash D dash R D. So you can check you have solved the first layer completely. Now your task is to solve the middle layer, and for the middle layer you need this 4 pieces. So for that you need to look for pieces in the top and match it with, align with this middle piece. So you can check, if we bring it here, you can check it is aligned, and now as it is aligned, you need to check whether this piece will go to our left or our right. As we can check, this will go to our right, so we use the algorithm U R U dash R dash U dash F dash U and F. This piece is aligned. Now looking for such other pieces, you can check we have this, but this would not go here, so we move it. We find other piece. Yes, we have this piece, and we can check this piece will go to our left, so we use the algorithm U dash L dash U L U F U dash and F dash. This piece is aligned. Now the last two pieces, we can check whether any piece we have. No, so we can check one piece which is to come here is here, so we bring it to the top, which by using U R U dash R dash R dash U dash F dash U F. Now you can check it is on top. Now we align it with here and we bring it to our right, that is using the algorithm U R U dash R dash U dash F dash U F. For the final piece, we have this piece which is aligned with here, so we use the algorithm again U R U dash R dash U dash F dash U and F. Now you can check you have solved the middle layer completely. Your task is to solve the top layer. For top layer, you need to first form this cross. When you solve the top layer, you might get some cases. In one case, you might have only this middle piece, or you might have this L, or you might have this line, or you might have this cross. So using the center piece, I will be showing you all the other cases. So when you have the center piece, you use this algorithm, that is F R U R dash U dash and F dash. You can check you got this L. Now you hold it in such a way that the L faces the top left corner like this. So you use the same algorithm again, that is F R U R dash U dash and F dash. Now you got this L and you use the same algorithm F R U R dash U dash and F dash. You can check you got this cross. Now your task is to align this piece, this top piece and this piece. So you can check this piece is aligned, and you can check under no circumstances all the four pieces are getting aligned. So what you need to do is you need to find any two pieces are aligned together. So we can check if we do it in such a way, you get this piece aligned and you get this piece aligned. So now what you need to do is, when you have these two pieces aligned and they are adjacent to each other, so you do it, you bring it to your one piece faces to your right and the other piece faces away from you, and you use this algorithm, that is R U R dash U R W R dash U. You can check all the four pieces are aligned. Now your task is to make sure that these four pieces, which are the final four pieces, are in their position. You can check this piece is in its position, this piece is not in its position, none of the pieces are in its position. So what you do is you take any piece and you use this algorithm, that is U R U dash L dash U R dash U dash and L. Now you check that you have this piece aligned in its position. So what you bring the piece to the bottom right hand corner and use this algorithm, that is R U dash L dash U R dash U dash. You can check this piece is aligned and know the piece again U R U dash L dash U R dash U dash and L. Check this piece is aligned, this piece is in its position, this piece is done, and this piece is also in its position. So you use this algorithm again, that is R dash D dash R D R dash D dash R D R dash D dash R D R dash D dash R D. You can check this is in its position, and now you for this you bring it to the bottom right hand corner, and again the same algorithm, that is R dash D dash R D R dash D dash R D, and doing this you have solved your mirror cube, and that also very easily and by using the algorithm that we use in a 3x3 Rubik's cube. So kudos and well done. If you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section and I will be happy to answer that. I hope you have enjoyed this video, so don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe my channel and do hit the bell icon so that you get all the notifications. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care.